Defeating the bully. A short story. Tommy was a big, strong bully in class. He pushed around the other boys, beat them up, ate their lunch, and made them do his homework. His endless torture was unbearable. One day the boys got together and decided to face up against Tommy. "When he beats one among us, all of us will stand together to fight back," said a boy. Another said, "If he eats our lunch, we will stand together to take it back from him." A third boy added, "I won't do his homework anymore. If he forces us, we will march to the teacher together to complain." It was decided that they would all stand together whenever Tommy bullied any of them again. When the time came, all the boys stood together as a team and showed Tommy that they were not scared of him anymore. Tommy tried to push them harder, but this time, he got beaten up by all the boys. Thereafter, Tommy never bullied anyone again, as he had been shown his place. The moral: one person alone cannot fight every battle, but a team can. Teamwork helps us achieve our goals.